Hello guys, in this video we will see some viva questions for thermal engineering. What is difference between sensible and latent heat? Sensible heat is energy required to change the temperature of substance while latent heat is the energy required to change the state of substance. Example from liquid to vapor or from solid to liquid, from ice to water, and etc. Now we will move on to next question. Explain the concept of heat transfer and its modes. Heat transfer is transfer of energy from one body to another due to temperature difference. The three modes of heat transfer are conduction, convection, and radiation. Now, third question. What is the purpose of heat exchanger? As we know, heat exchanger is device. So now, heat exchanger is used to transfer heat exchanger is used to transfer heat energy from one fluid to another without directly mixing them. Now, fourth question. Define thermal efficiency and how it is calculated. Thermal efficiency is the ratio of output energy to input energy calculated as work output upon heat input into 100%. As we know, efficiency is output upon input. For calculating its percentage, we multiply it by 100%. Now, next question, fifth question. What is the difference between a boiler and condenser? A boiler is device that generate steam by heating water or by consuming fuel, as we know. But every steam generator is not a boiler. Boiler is a mechanical device which generate steam, but which follows Indian Boiler Regulation Act, IBR Act. That device are boiler. Not every steam generating device is boiler. And while condenser is a device that condenses steam back into liquid water. Now, next question. Explain the working principle of steam turbine. A steam turbine uses the energy of steam to generate mechanical work, driving an electric generator or other load. Steam turbine is also a device which uses steam which comes from boiler to generate mechanical work. It actually convert hydraulic energy into mechanical energy, and further devices connected to it convert this mechanical energy into some useful form, like we connect a generator for converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. Now next question. What is the purpose of insulation in thermal system? Seventh question. Insulation is used for increasing efficiency of system, as we know. Now let us see its full definition, its full answer. Insulation in thermal system reduces heat transfer, minimizing energy losses and maintaining temperature difference. These are done to increase the efficiency of system. Now next question. It's a eighth question. Define emissivity and how it is related to radiation heat transfer. Now let us see its answer. Emissivity is ability of surface to emit radiation related to radiation heat transfer. Now next question. It's ninth question. Explain the concept of thermal conductivity. Concept of thermal conductivity. Now let us see its answer. Thermal conductivity is ability of material to conduct heat. As its name suggests itself, thermal means what? Heat. And conductivity means which conduct or produces, has ability to do something, means थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी मतलब इसका मतलब हुआ कि सब्सटेंस विच कंडक्ट हीट in simple words. So thermal conductivity is the ability of material to conduct heat measured by amount of heat transferred per unit area per unit temperature gradient. Now let us move on next question. This is last question from this portion of thermal part. What is the difference between a heat pump and refrigerator? Uh, Let us see it. It is mentioned here. Refrigerator, actually we know we use refrigerator for cooling purpose, for our substance to cool. Its temperature is lower than room temperature. As we know, we use refrigerator in our homes. Now refrigerator extract heat from interior and expel it to the external environment, maintaining a temperature below room temperature. तो हमें जैसे पता है कि हम रेफ्रिजरेटर अपने होम में यूज़ करते हैं, अपने घर पे यूज़ करते हैं कि हमारा जो भी सब्सटेंस रहे, जैसे हम आइसक्रीम रख रहे हैं तो वो मतलब हमारे बाहर के टेम्परेचर से जो रेफ्रिजरेटर का टेम्परेचर होता है वो क्या होता है, वो कूल होता है, मतलब वहाँ का टेम्परेचर लो होता है फ्रिज का। तो हम अपने मतलब जो हम आइसक्रीम रख रहे हैं या दूध रख रहे हैं या कुछ भी रख रहे हैं या सब्जी दाल वगैरह कुछ भी रख रहे हैं, तो हम चाहते हैं कि उसका जो टेम्परेचर रहे वो बिलो रूम टेम्परेचर रहे, मीन्स उसका टेम्परेचर जो होता है वो लोअर देन आवर सराउंडिंग होता है। While on the other hand, heat pump. Heat pump is actually device that transfer heat from colder area to warmer area in heating mode and remove heat from space in cooling mode. Now let us see some questions related to gas dynamics topic. What is the difference between compressible and incompressible flow? Compressible flow has significant density changes while incompressible flow has constant density. Now next question. Yeah. Explain the concept of match number and its significance. Match number is the ratio of fluid velocity to the speed of sound, significant in high speed flows. As we already discussed in the previous video, that match number is actually a dimensionless number which is denoted by capital M, and its value varies from 1, less than 1, 1, and greater than 1. When it is equal to 1, it is called sonic flow. When it is greater than 1, it is called supersonic supersonic flow. When it is less than m, then it is called subsonic flow. Now, and we have also discussed in previous video its formula, that is Mach number is equal to ratio of velocity of fluid to speed of sound. Now let us move on next question. What is the purpose of nozzle in gas turbine engine? As we know, nozzle is a device, it is also a mechanical device which is used to increase the velocity and decrease the pressure. Now let us see its full definition here. A nozzle in gas turbine engine accelerates exhaust gases to high velocities, generating thrust. Now let us move on next question. Define the concept of shock waves and expansion waves. Now it's answer 4. So we have shock waves are high pressure waves that propagates through a fluid, while expansion waves are low pressure waves. So actually, in simple words, we can say shock waves are high pressure waves, and expansion waves are low pressure waves. Now next question. It's a fifth question. Explain the working principle of a compressor. Now, compressor working principle. A compressor compresses air, increasing its pressure and temperature using a rotor and stator blade. As we know, compressor is also a type of pump which which increases density and increases pressure. In turn, increases pressure. Okay, कहाँ गया? What is the difference between subsonic and supersonic flow? In simple words, in supersonic flow, Mach number is greater than 1, and subsonic flow, Mach number is equal to 1 unity. Now, let us see its answer. Uh, Subsonic flow has velocity less than the speed of sound. As we know, its Mach number is uh, less than 1. Sorry, I told you definition of sonic flow. In sonic flow, m is equal to 1. Subsonic flow. Subsonic flow has velocity less than the speed of sound. In this subsonic flow, m is less than 1, means Mach number is less than 1, while supersonic flow has velocity greater than the speed of sound. In supersonic, Mach number is greater than 1, so velocity greater than a flow has velocity, means flow velocity greater than speed of sound. Define the concept of gas dynamics and its applications. It is basically used in aeroplane, airplanes. Gas dynamics studies the behavior of gases under various flow conditions with applications in aerospace, chemical, and power generation industries. Now, next question. Explain the concept of flow, choking, and its significance. Choking. Flow choking occurs when the flow velocity reaches the speed of sound, limiting the mass flow rate. Now, next question. What is the purpose of diffuser in gas turbine engine? Diffuser actually decreases velocity and increases pressure. Now, let us see its full answer. A diffuser in gas turbine engine slows down the flow, increasing pressure and temperature, as I told you. Now, next question. Define the concept of Reynolds number and its significance. Reynolds number is actually dimensionless number which is used to check the flow is laminar or turbulent, or it is transition. Transition means in laminar and turbulent region, means both occurs. Now let us see. Reynolds number is dimensionless quantity characterizing fluid flow related to turbulence and laminar flow. When its value is less than 22,200, then it is considered as laminar flow. When it is in between uh, 2200 to 4000, then it is known as transition state. And when it is above 4000, then it is known as turbulent flow. कुछ बुक्स में अलग अलग भी दिया हुआ है, तो वो आप देख लीजिएगा अपने अकॉर्डिंग. मतलब कहीं पे 2300 दिया हुआ है, 2300 दिया हुआ है, और कहीं पर कुछ और दिया हुआ है, तो वो अपने हिसाब से आप कंसीडर कर लीजिएगा. वो सब बुक में अलग अलग दिया हुआ है. ओके गाइस, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.